friends. Today I decide to show you how I paint with this Kuretake Gansai Tambi paints, and I must say that I'm delighted. They are so nice, they are so smooth, glazing over the paper. I'm using a watercolor paper from Gerstaecker. So this is one German brand which they sell art supplies, and they have their own sometimes. So I'm using this paper and this Kuretake Gansai Tambi. This is the basic colors. 12 I think they have. So I will not bother you too much today. I will leave you to listen this beautiful music and to paint with me, and then at the end I will say goodbye and all of my thoughts of these beautiful colors. And I'm using just these colors and little bit of Pigma Micron, this black, I think it is in the number 3. So just for some details, because this is one old house and I need to show the bricks and that paint is falling off and everything that. So see you in a minute. And now we are almost at the end. I'm just showing you how to add different shadows and little things here and there to this painting looks more live. So under the roof, under the windows, around the trees, this tree, and that is that. So I just really love this painting, and I have 3 or 4 more, I forgot, but I want to make this like series, the old houses, and I'm really happy how this turned out. So much happy that I will sign. And that is that. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.